Roaming. What is roaming? Remember those days when on holiday in another European country, your mobile was not so useful? We've come quite a way since then. Today, to roam like at home means a lot of things, like getting lost while exploring new horizons and still being able to share the experience.
Just sent you my GPS coordinates. Could you bring me my boots?
It also means being able to document your adventures abroad for your followers without an astronomical phone bill waiting for you back home. EU roaming rules enable us to call, text, and surf the internet without extra charges while staying in another EU country, exactly as we would at home, but with more interesting stuff to report. As these rules are about to expire, the EU is taking action to secure free roaming for another 10 years, with a few extra perks. Currently, data roaming can be slower. Future rules will ensure data services keep up with fast-paced globetrotters. They will also ensure that you can reach emergency numbers and service hotlines without having to worry about hidden charges. Because who knows when and where you might need them.
Well, I guess I'll be waiting here. Don't forget to send me pictures.
If you enjoy our content, make sure you like our video and subscribe to the Digital EU channel.